Greatest love. They say that it's a kind of love that is deep, enduring feeling of care and affection for another person. They say that this love bears all things, believes all things, hope all things, and endure all things. Because love means sacrifice. Sacrifice even yourself.
Kung nanaisin ng tadhanang mapalinlang, di hahayaan mawala pa.
But what if the person you love still longs for her beloved and her own greatest love? What if your greatest love has her own greatest love too? What's there left for you? Was it fair? No? But that's love. That's how love works.
Unang kagat, ginawa ko naman ang lahat. Unang talsik, bakit ang sakit? Unang salang, saan ako nagkulang? Unang halo, bakit ka naglaho? Nariyan ka pa ba? Hindi ka na matanaw. Merong madaraanan pasulong, pasulong. Hindi ko maisip kung wala ka.
They say love continues. It grows and it follows your path. Even if you try to get away with it, and even if you try to stop it, it will always find its way. They say that if you love someone, you disregard everything. You disregard their age, you disregard their size, you disregard their gender. Everything does not matter when you're in love. But not every love is acceptable. There are love that must be stopped. There are love that it never ever happen.
The number you dialed has been changed, disconnected, or is no longer in service. If you feel you have reached this recording in error, please check the number.
Mahal kita. At dahil mahal kita, ipapalayain kita. Sana sa susunod na buhay ay tayo naman. Sana pagbigyan tayo na tadhana. Paalam, mahal ko.
Naka-uniform, silibit lang. Ikaw na, libit na.
Natak.
Ha?
Ay. Action. Up. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ang swerte mo nasa balik.
Kaya mo, wala naging sabi, tumatawa tanga.
Boy, seryoso. Seryoso. Galaw, yung hatak, action. Tingin sa papa.
May natututunan, di mo lang alam at di mo maintindihan lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin.
The ice chico, they never lie. Wala nang tayo sa Martin.
Sabi natin sa sa breakfast. Yeah. Ba? Happy New Year!